small clarification. Margaret Thatcher was Prime Minister of Britain, very eminent. In a cutthroat politics of UK, there was a need to draw a middle line between the far right and the far left. This is the statement she made. She said, in seeking for compromise, we should never surrender our vintage point of principled politics. Because today, it cannot be a nobody man for all intent and purposes, portraying us as intolerant. Nobody man, you were born in a broad daylight. Let me even tell you, nobody man, you are a shame to your generation. They believed in you so much. They hoped so much in you, including some of us. Kenneth Pokakandi here and the like of others. We made Nobert Mawe president of DP, believing he will be doing exactly what Chaplain is doing now. You ashamed us, let us down. For you, you are not only intolerant, you are a very unprincipled politician. Therefore, don't invite us in your tent. Don't invite us in your temple of a group and a cluster of politicians that have sold out to NRM. Who are not with you. We are to take you out with you 7. You are one and the same. Therefore, for Mao to pass around as a noble person, as a moral person, I don't understand why he gets the courage. That charisma we saw in you was not to do exactly that, was to push for better governed Uganda, because we deserve better. So I want to speak to encourage some of us and the National Unity Platform. The reason why the dictator and all his sycophants are singling us out is because Mr. Chagulanyi, President of National Unity Platform, Your Excellency, the next president of Uganda, you've done a good job. If the dictator was comfortable with you, I would be scared. If the dictator was comfortable with the foot soldiers, I would be scared. If the dictator was comfortable with the Secretary General, I would be scared. Let us scare him more. He is doing it out of fear. He is intimidated. He knows he has lost the trust of the people of Uganda. With those few words, let me invite the President to come and address us. Uganda. Chemwagala kati mutuule kakati waliwo ebintu ebimu ebyangu okunnyonnyola. Omanye abantu abamu be balwawo ne bakola ebintu ebyekigega, ne bakola ebintu ebimu ebitagwana nga bikwasa ensonyi mu bantu abalala. Tutandika obamanyiira ne tulowooza nti bantu ba bulijjo ne bye bakola bisaanidde. Pulezidenti wa DP Nobert Mao, ndi wano kumujjukiza, Mr. Nobert Mao, tosobora kubeera nga gwe obuulira abantu ti tusobole okuba nti tutoleretinga oba tuli intolerant. Gwe nange n'abalala abenkana. Nobert Mao yali member wange nga ndi national chairman wa Uganda Democrats. He was an executive member, Nyazi knows. Literally, our generation believed in Nobert Mao. We thought Nobert Mao would be Nobert Mao twalowooza ti Nobert Mao tumukiririzaamu yajja okuba akola kati Kyagulanyi byakola ki byakola. Lumu nayina obutakkanya ne bakakanda abo ngamba ganze no mulabye baali bagenda Mbale eyo ne bagati naye omulenzi ono gwe mwagala mutwale nga mukwano nnyo gwa Sale ng'atambula nnyo ne basale. Abasajja abo ne baŋatya ono ye liida waffe ow'omulembe guno gwe tukkiririzaamu. Nobert Mao olwaleero ali ku TV ebyo byonna yabivaako. Museveni yamugulanga kabalagala ne bamugula ku mudaala ne bamutwala ne bakunobivaako. Kati gwe ensiisira gy'olimu gy'otugamba tujjemu eyo nsiisira Omwoyo ne Mandwa ne Luwale gwe musamiriramu waani wa Museveni. Ate si wa Museveni oyo Mau kati ali mu project yakuteekako Muhoozi Kayine Lugaba. N'olwekyo gwe toweeyisawo olw'eggulogulo ng'abantu balamu. Mu nsi y'abantu balamu watusala ensawo n'otutunda misana ng'ensi eraba. Toweekakabirizeeyo gy'oli totuwa lekitya engeri tetuyinza okukwatagana ne Museveni. Ffe aba National Unity Platform tetwagala kukwatagana na Museveni, twagala kumugyawo. Abantu tebadda Margaret Sacha yatugamba tibe mubanga munoonya kukkiriziganyamu mulabe bwe mukwatagana temwerabiranga tiwaliwo akasozi ak'emiramwa temuyimiriddeko. National Unity Platform tulina olusozi luwo guno tulina olusozi lwetuyimiriddeko akatuuti kanene akaffe kagamba Museveni ne bafaanana nabo tulina obatwala nga kaguddeyo bafuuti soja. Museveni baba abazoganya mazima gali nti temumuzoganyizza. Abali mu kkomera Museveni baba abazoganya kiri nti Museveni mumuzoganyizza n'atya. Kati ali awo amanyi ekijja kijja nga tugenda okuzaako President of Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Museveni tugenda kutwala nga kaguddeyo. Wadde Mao ali naawe wadde nani abo bonna boli nabo wagula bagule tebakukkiririzaamu naffe tetubakkiririzaamu si baffe muli ba Museveni mugende naye nannyini mufu yakwata awawunya Museveni awunya mumutwale n'ekivundu kye. People power, our power. Kale kati munzikirize mu kuzungu. I take this opportunity to invite the next president of the Republic of Uganda, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu.
Our power, NUP, everywhere. People power, our power. Free Wise from Mufumbiro now. Free Dorin Kaija now. Free Eddie Mutwe now. Free Achille Kivumbi now. Free Martin now. Free Wakabi Smart now. Free Mugumya Gaddafi now. Free Bobi Young now. Free Umar Katon now. Free Machete now. Free Kalanzi Sheriff now. Free Kanti Rogers. Yes, Masive. Free all political prisoners now. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please take your seats. Kanti Rogers, you are a very unavoidable face whenever in a place. Very nice to see you, my brother. We have so much belief and faith in you. Thank you very much, Comrade Deputy President. You represented my thoughts and I believe the thoughts of many other comrades. I was listening to you very attentively. And I was moved, indeed, to see the president of the Democratic Party saying democracy has no place in Uganda. It is shocking, but not surprising. Ladies and gentlemen, please mark our words for reference in the future. Norbert Mao has a very popular quote. He said, when you are paid to be a fool, your intelligence ceases to matter. This is a gentleman that inspired us when we were young. We watched him when he was a Democrat, when he was president, Gill president of Makerere University. He's the same person now. we sympathize with these parents and relatives. Ladies and gentlemen, there's so much to say, but I'm glad so much of it has been said. Only that I wish somebody talked about the salaries of the most important service providers in the country. The men and women in uniform, soldiers, police officers, prison officers, the teachers at all levels, and the health workers. We said it during our campaign in the previous election. We've said it all the time, that our people deserve better, that our teachers deserve better. Today, the arts teachers are on strike because of the discrimination. Ladies and gentlemen, when we said we will improve salaries of teachers, we did not say some teachers, we said all teachers. It makes zero sense to see that the science teachers' salaries have been increased, but the arts teachers are suffering. These are teachers that all go to school, they educate our children, they bring up citizens, useful, noble citizens that will help our societies equally. So we stand in solidarity as all teachers at different levels. We cannot demand from the regime because we know they won't do it. We are only promising you that once we kick out this regime, we are going to improve all your salaries, whether you're arts teachers or science teachers. And also, we pay close attention to teachers at lower levels, primary school teachers. You are being looked up at, and you will be looked after at the right time. I'll also make a comment about the salaries of soldiers. General Museveni got scared, the coward that he is, when he started talking facts and truth to the men and women in uniform. We promised to increase all their salaries, not just the senior officers, all of them. And I want to reiterate it now. To all of you, men and women in uniform, soldiers in UPDF, police officers and prison warders, the lowest salary for you is going to be 1 million upwards. Now that should inform your participation in this liberation that we are leading. Of course, the health workers, needless to mention, your plight is being followed and the right thing will be done at the right time. Ladies and gentlemen,